Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Would you like to taste cake with fig, walnut and custard? First, mix 3 eggs and a glass of sugar well. Next, add half glass of milk, 1½ glass of flour, a packet of baking powder, a packet of vanilla, a sweet spoon of cinnamon. Keep on mixing. Then add a glass of crushed walnut and 6 to 8 chopped figs. To make the figs soft, keep them in water approximately 20 minutes before starting the cake. Oil the Pyrex tray. Pour the mixture. Bake it 175 degrees heated oven for 30 minutes. You can check it with chopsticks, even it cooks or not. When it nearly cools, prepare a mixture with 1½ glass of warm water, a tablespoon of coffee, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and wet the cake with it. For custard, 1 liter of whole milk, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of starch. Mix and cook them in a pot. When it thickens, add a packet of vanilla, a tablespoon of butter. Stir them. When it cools a little, add a packet of whipped cream and mix them well. Spread the custard on the cake equally. Sure to keep it for 2 or 3 hours in the fridge. Decorate with crushed walnuts and serve with figs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good appetite!